In this video, I will show you how to write for all symbol in Excel. So insert an equation, and this line you can select this for all. Make changes, you can change the size. And another way, less and for all space. So this is the second method. Just slash and type here for all. And make sure here you have to click on this space bar. In you need to click on insert an equation. Here type for all and space. There are some more methods, but it's a simple way. And in the equation, almost you will find all useful symbol. There is the out. We can know this is the basic math, and here let's select another one like Greek letters, operators, arrows, scripts. So thanks for watching.